Hey, what's going on? My name is Marquise, and thanks for stopping by this video. So today, what I wanted to do was actually do an unboxing of this product called Truvy that I just purchased. Truvy is actually a supplement that you can use to lose weight, and I've been taking it for, a little bit over maybe a year or so, and I just got a new package, so I wanted to do an unboxing fresh in this video, so stay tuned. All right, so like I said, once again, my name is Marquise, and thanks for watching this video. Now, what I wanted to do was a unboxing of Truvy. I just received me some Truvy here in the mail. So what I'm going to do is unbox it and see what's on the inside here. So got a little knife. I'm going to open up the package here. And so now I'm just opening up the box, and we're going to see what we got on the inside here. All right. So first I have here is my Truvy. I have the True Control and also the TruFix. So both of these together is what combines to make the actual Truvy product. So you actually will take the True Control and also you take the TruFix daily. But I didn't just buy that. I also bought, let's see here. I bought some also of the TruVision. If you can see here, it's the CBD patches. These CBD patches are actually pretty amazing. This is not the first time that I've bought them. I bought them a couple times now, and it's a 30-day supply pretty much in here, so I'm just gonna open it up real quick. All right, so with the CBD patches, it comes in like this little plastic wrap here. It's nice, very smooth package here. So like if I open that up here, you can see it's just like a little perforated edge that you kind of tear, and then you can kind of get on the inside. And then once you have it open, it's these little strips here. So on the front, it just says Vibrant, and these are some little CBD patches. So if I open it up, they just kind of come out on these little bitty film strips almost, in a sense. So like you say, it's like this little plastic thing. What you do is you just peel it off, and then they suggest on the package here, actually it says that you should put it on your inner bicep or your inner thigh. So normally what I usually do is kind of put it here on the inner bicep. I've tried it on the inner thigh. It works just the same, but for me, the inner bicep seems to be pretty good. It doesn't kind of come off my shirt too much. And like I said, the other product that I got as well was the Truvy itself. So like I said, we got the True Control. This is 60 capsules here. It says it actually takes one serving size per day here. And then this one also has one serving size capsule as well for the TruFix. If you want a little bit more information about the actual ingredients in each of these products, what they're made of, how they affect your body, I'm definitely going to be shooting a YouTube video for that one. So definitely check it out. You'll be able to see it soon, where I'll kind of go over my experience with actually using the product, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, things of that nature. I'll definitely say, just kind of as a little heads up, I've had some pretty good results with Truvy. So that's why I'm actually doing these videos, because I wanted other people to know about my results as well. So like I said, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. So if you get yours, you'll kind of know exactly what it looks like, so you're kind of not surprised. Because sometimes when you order things blindly, you don't really know what's in the box. You don't know how things are wrapped, stuff like that. So I kind of wanted to just kind of give you a bird's eye view of what it looks like. But like I said, thanks again. If you have any questions, definitely drop them below in the chat, and make sure you subscribe for other videos on this channel. Peace out.